Hi, it's Mahika here, and Callie is actually FaceTiming me right here on my phone. But this is our first digitals lesson. So, let's go. So, I just have Callie here. She's going to also explain some things that the phone can do. But before that, get any piece of paper that you can write on so that it will be much easier. This is the introduction of the digitals lessons. Make sure to follow Lifestyle on YouTube if you can't come in person. Thank you. Okay, we're going to move that out of the way. So we're going to tell you how this works. Callie here is right here with me. First, we're going to go over how the Digitals Club works. Then we're going to go over our lesson. So first, if you have stayed with us for 1 year, you will become a VIP. Okay, so we will have new gadgets every 3 weeks or 2 weeks. We don't know about that yet. So, anyways, we're going to get on with our lesson. So, let's start this. So, the phone can do many things. I'm just going to get out of the FaceTime for 1 second. So, there are many things this phone can do. It has settings. You can set it on airplane mode if you're in the airplane, which comes in very handy. Callie, you can talk for a while. Okay.
That you should not do on the phone. You should not marry the phone.
What?
You should not marry the phone. The phone does not have feelings.
Right. The phone, you should not get too attached to a phone. Your phone is not your life. Your phone, it is meant for good purposes only. Do not do bad things on this. Do not download apps without your parents' permission. Just be careful on there and just, yep. So now
don't download things that sound scamish.
Right. If you get a scam call on your phone, just say, "Oh, I'm not interested." Do not be mean on that either. So don't be like, "Oh, no, I don't want it." Don't say that. That's kind of rude. So, Callie, I'm going to keep you here again. So now we're going to start our notes. So get any piece of paper. Get a pen or pencil.
Well, then, I have her downstairs.
Now, what a phone can do. Okay, so these phones, it depends on what type of phone you get. On these types of phones, like an iPhone 6, which I have, those are not very, they're not so updated to the whole thing. Like iPhone 8s, if you have iPhone 8s or iPhone Xs, that makes sense, well, but you need to also be careful. Yeah?
iPhone X is actually supposed to be called iPhone 10.
Yeah, iPhone X, iPhone 10, yes. And so on that, it also matters on what size the iPhone is. It should not be too big for your hand because if you carry it in school, you can drop it and that is very risky. So I recommend getting a screen protector. So do you have anything to say, Callie?
Screen protectors are cool.
Right. So what a phone can do. It can call, text, email, and FaceTime. And you also have to be very careful on the social media. Oh, Callie is reconnecting. Okay, while she's gone, so you need to be careful. I'm going to talk about what you can do on a call. On a call, this is very important. Well, right, for calls, you really just talk and that's pretty much it for a call. But text, you need to be very careful on what you do for texting, because for texting, you should never write mean things. You shouldn't have proof on writing, because if you do something bad on your iPhone and you text it to somebody, or iPad or anything, and you go and you say mean things, and anybody can go look on there and they have proof that you said these things. So make sure you don't first of all, don't be mean on messages or texts, and just make sure you're staying safe and being nice. So, and for email, it's pretty much the same. You have proof of everything. FaceTime also is safer. Don't say mean, even otherwise, don't say mean things on FaceTime, but also just have fun on your phone, and if you use it responsibly, you don't have anything to worry about. So that is the end of my lesson. I gotta call Callie back now, so see you guys next time. Bye!